In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove those pesky white edges that often appear when you're working in Adobe Photoshop. We'll be walking through this process step by step using Photoshop's tools to ensure your images look clean and polished. This method should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, ensure you have your Adobe Photoshop open on your computer. If you haven't already, launch the program and get ready to make some magic happen. Once Photoshop is up and running, the next thing you'll want to do is add the image you want to edit. Simply import or drag your image file into Photoshop's workspace. Now, this is where we'll start to refine those edges. With your image added, the next step is to select the subject you wish to refine. We'll be using the Magic Wand tool for this. You can find it in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. The Magic Wand tool is excellent for selecting areas of similar color, which is particularly useful if you're working with straightforward edges. Click on your subject and watch as it becomes highlighted. At this point, you've made your initial selection, but it might be a little rough around the edges. To fix this, you'll need to navigate over to the Select menu located at the top of your screen. Once you're there, look for the Modify option. Clicking Modify will bring up a few different choices for refining your selection, but today we're focusing on smoothing those white edges right out of your image. After selecting Modify, you'll see an option labeled Smooth. Click that to begin smoothing out any jagged or rough parts of your selection. A dialog box will appear asking for a pixel radius. The number you choose here determines how much the selection will be softened. A smaller number will make slight adjustments, while a larger number will create a smoother edge. For most images, a small value around 2 or 3 should suffice, but feel free to experiment depending on your specific needs. Click OK to apply the smooth effect. After following these steps, you should notice a much cleaner edge around your selected subject. This process helps to blend the subject seamlessly into the rest of your image, eliminating any distracting white outlines that may have been visible before. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to play around with different images and selections to get comfortable with this process. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to take control of your image editing skills and tackled the common problem of dealing with white edges in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and remember, as you continue honing your Photoshop skills, these techniques will become second nature in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Adobe tips.